Yes, you did read that title right. Trike owners rejoice. This video is for you. New products from Ciro 3D, a giveaway. It's been a good day. I'm back from Texas and we're in the shop. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattahoochee Harley Davidson. And on this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley Davidson, hit the subscribe button right now. A few weeks ago, I mentioned that Ciro had updated their website so that you could choose by model what they offer that will fit your bike. Sadly, trike is not listed in the picture, but if you use the drop-down menu, there is a trike function. I have a funny feeling when Ciro watches this video, they might just add it. We'll see. Anyway, new product from Ciro, the Fender Blades. You might recognize them. They look very similar to the bag blades that are offered for the touring lineup, and we're gonna install them today. Take a look at them really quick. In the box you get full color instructions, double-sided. The bag blades themselves, which looks like they have a nice little spot to help you locate where it's gonna go on the fender. They're red, not smoked, in case you were curious. We get a bag of Do Not Eat dielectric grease, zip ties, and little sticky clamps to help route the wire and keep it away from the rear tire. So, as all things from Ciro, they come everything in the box. I just need a trike to put them on. Off to the sales floor. One of the other guys is using the trike lift, so unfortunately I have to do this whole thing on the ground, but simple. All I need, cloth, some alcohol, and a screwdriver. The install is going to be exactly the same for both sides. So I'm going to show you one side, and you'll know how to do the other side too. As I'm removing this stock tail light, should point out that the 2020 trike, the price has actually it dropped this year. It's almost like they are listening to us when we all tell them that their stuff is too expensive. The price got reduced on the 2020 model trike over the 2019 trike. Unfortunately though, while we have LED lights up front, we don't get them in the back. Unfortunately, Ciro doesn't make a tail light that's LED, so why not, Ciro? You should totally do that. I have a funny feeling the people would buy it. I'll be honest, I'm absolutely spoiled rotten. Don't work on the floor very much because I have really nice lifts in here, but I now feel y'all's pain because having this on a lift to center it, make sure it's right, that would be nice. Yeah, both lights are the same. They got this little tab right there with the wire coming out. I'm going to center that and just stick it to it. Rub this tape a little bit, kind of activate the 3M double-sided tape. I could take a nap. Nap would be nice. Takes 24 hours for this to cure most of the way. In 20 minutes it'll be pretty good. Just don't go off washing your motorcycle right after you apply this stuff. Feed this wire, this plug and play unit, feed it right up through this hole. I have a confession to make. I don't just throw the instructions on the floor, I actually read them. And the instructions say to loosen this backing plate, but I'm too hard-headed to do that, so I didn't do it. So I was tempted to run the new wire through like the old one was, but then it's not long enough. So I can loosen this, route it through here, and it fits perfect. So yeah, one of the many reasons why you should actually read the instructions and not throw them on the floor like some sort of moron YouTuber. Side's done. Still got to do the other side too. I did route the wires. It's hard to show you that, but before and then after, really simple. I actually scored 2 extra of the little clips, which I'll throw in my box. If you end up with extras, you should too, because they come in super handy. Speaking of you doing stuff, man, props to those of you that work in your own garage and roll around on the ground, because that sucked. I missed my trike lift. And if Rob would hurry up with that trike, I could have used it. Overall though, awesome product. I'm actually really happy that the wire harness isn't super long. That's been my only complaint with all of Ciro's plug and play lighting, is sometimes the harness is like 6 inches too long, which is just enough to be in the way of things. You gotta zip tie it somewhere and hide it, and this is absolutely the exact right length to directly plug right into an empty space that's inside the taillight. It's so sweet. I mentioned we had a giveaway. To win the Fender Blades for trikes, I meant to look up what they fit. They fit 09 and later? I bet they fit 09 and later. Let's look. Ha! Fitment is 09 and up Tri-Glide and 10 and 11 Street Glide Trike, because I forgot that was even a thing, to be honest with you. So, not the freewheeler, because they don't have full fenders, but otherwise, 09 and up Tri-Glide, 10 and 11 FLH XXX. Are you about to start that? No? Cool? Alright, good. So, to win a set for yourself, go to the Ciro Facebook or Instagram page, or both. Get yourself an extra entry. Like their page, follow it, whichever one you're on. Tag a friend in the comment section. Probably a trike owner, I would guess, or you know, whoever, and enter to win a set of the Fender Blades. The picture that you're supposed to like is on Ciro's page, not my own, and it looks like this. And yeah, that's how you win. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification so you know when I upload, and if you ain't quite got your fix, there's a video right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.